you a fashion designer and you're looking into, finding a niche market to actually turn your designing into a business, or you're an advanced seamstress and you want to find a particular niche that you could maybe specialize in to actually generate an extra income? Hi, this is Tania Sutherland. I am a fashion business startup coach, as well as a fashion entrepreneur, fashion designer. All the years of experience I've put together creating products, my pattern collection, courses, etc., to help you to actually turn your sewing and fashion into a business and to motivate and inspire you. So this is the If you like this kind of content, anything to do about sewing, fashion, and also turning it into a business and having business packages at the tips of your fingertips, that I can help you to guide you and show you how to get started with my packages and my affiliate programs on my website. And this is the place to be. And how about giving me some love? Help me grow my algorithms and help me grow your businesses by pressing the like button, the subscribe, and give me a like and share. I'd so appreciate it. Thank you. This is Tania Sutherland, and it's all about turning your sewing skills, your sewing knowledge into a business. So this is the kind of content you like, then let's stick around and let's go for it straight away into what I'm suggesting that you could turn into an absolute business and really be inspired and find a niche that people will quickly spread the word of mouth that this is the type of thing that you're doing, and before you know it, your business will grow substantially. What I'd like to suggest is, what about making christening gowns and baptizing gowns, because there's definitely a demand for that as well, and you can maybe bring in some embroidery, the actual family or the family crest. Apply little baby boutique stores with your christening gowns and baptizing gowns, and then before you know it, you'll definitely be seen as the expert around it. Word of mouth, people will know that this is something that you do, because it'll be a niche platform of things that you'll be making. You could take it one step further, and you could even do little miniature wedding dresses, because especially for big bridal entourages and big bridal weddings, you'll find that the bride sometimes wants to have one of their nieces or one of the little cousins, which is absolutely cute and adorable, in a miniature wedding dress to match her own. And not everybody can do this, or not everybody is offering this. It's definitely something that you could offer. If you are making a christening and baptizing dresses, to make miniature wedding dresses as well. Because this is something that it's a lot of work, it's time consuming, but you can definitely charge to do these, and you can always make a couple of samples up and actually keep stock of a certain age group, and certain colors, and then you can actually market it and sell it online, or sell it to boutiques, and advertise that you actually do wedding miniature dresses. If you want to look at finding a niche market as a fashion designer, you need to look at what skills you have and what resonates with you. You could go into doing bridesmaids dresses and infinity dresses. I have a full business package on how to do your own infinity dresses with all the patterns included, as well as the measurements and some marketing strategy tips and guidance, as well as I give you a 40-minute coaching time together. Either we can do it Zoom or we do it on WhatsApp, etc. And I help you get an absolute clarity of how to go about and how to set it up. So it's a full-on platform of all these patterns included, plus sew-along videos on how you can do the infinity dresses to supply brides for their bridesmaids. And you can always maybe, this is going to be an absolute niche market for you, because you could even make up your samples, take photographs, do a catalog, sell it online, or you can even supply boutiques. It's definitely someone who's more advanced, because you would need to be able to make them with absolute accuracy according to measurements without even seeing a client.